So beginning the second screen recording, and I've been able to filter by overdue, completed and due in 7 days. Then test the print function. So here you can choose whichever printer you want, but it is actually bringing up the correct one, and if I wanted to continue with that process I can click OK. I don't actually have a printer connected at the moment, so I'll cancel that process, but the print button is easy to find, and you can save it as a PDF if you don't actually have a printer. So I can go save, and let's go back to all the tasks actually, because I want to see all of them again. And send email button. I just want to show, by the way, the PDF has successfully shown there, and that's what it would look if I had printed it out as well. That's what would be printed. I can see an additional comments column actually. I'll just fill out a couple of those just so that we can see if they come up on the form as well. Just sort of putting the words to make sure that they show up. Okay, so we've done the to-do list sheet testing section, and now we're going to do the minutes sheet. So come over to here, and it says clear the minutes as the first thing. So I can clearly see here the clear button. So all of those things have gone below. So now we can insert the title of the meeting. So up here, title of the meeting, and we'll call it change management. And we'll select the minute taker. So here, we've got the drop down list, so I can allocate people, and then you can also put the attendees. So it would be good if there was a drop down menu and then you could multiple select. But let's type in some names here. I'm guessing this is where they go and not side by side. Or do you have to put them all in one column? I'm not too sure. I wonder how that will come out actually. I'm not sure if I've done that correctly, or if I have to put them all in one column like this. So we'll see in a minute if that makes any sense. Insert various topics and to-dos. Okay, so one of the first topics we'll do is new management. And we can allocate a type of meeting. And we can write notes in there as well. And assign it to a particular person in the meeting as well. And we can say that's due tomorrow. Oh, whoops. Oh, okay, so we've got some due dates auto allocated in here. So I wonder what happens if it would be due beyond that, but let's just choose that for now. So we've allocated a time. So what if I want to do a new one? Because I don't know. Oh, okay, so it just starts automatically doing another line, okay. And we can select a different type of meeting. And we'll do one more time. And we can do the type. And we can allocate that one there. And we'll choose a different date for that, the 1st of April. Okay, so we've done a few to-do lists now. And the next job would be to print the minutes. So again, you can click print here and allocate a printer. and I'm going to save that as a PDF just to see what it actually looks like as a PDF. Okay, so we've got here the names, the due dates, the type, and these things. So I don't think I should have put the names below. So having looked at that, let me just close all the tabs. Come back to here and delete these names underneath. So now my job is to send meeting minutes. So I'd click here on the send feature and it's brought up Outlook. So it's correctly brought up the right function. And the next job is to archive and check if the to-dos are now recorded in the to-do list. So here we've got a to-do, so that was allocated to Laura. So I'm going to click archive. And we've got a stamp here saying it's been archived. So now I come back to the to-do list. And here we've got it allocated to me there. So we can correctly see all of the... I was going to say I had two things, sorry, assigned to me, but one of them's completed, which is why there's only a 1 in there. Okay, so that's all been done. So I'm going to end the recording there and type up my report just about usability, feedback, about whether the app is self-explanatory, and write up any additional notes I have.